Welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to do a continuation of the inventory movements, focusing on backflashing and physical counts. If you want to check out more of our SYSPRO inventory tutorials, please be sure to check out the links in the description below. Now let's start with today's tutorial. Physical counts. This is when we adjust the quantity on hand to match the counted amount, and then recording any variances. Physical count has to do with counting the number of stock that you have on hand and comparing it with the number of stock that is on hand in the system. And when you find any variance, it is recorded in the movement file as a stock adjustment. Now let's start with the physical count. So we're going to go to inventory, transaction processing. We're going to go to movements. On transaction type, you're going to select physical counts. And we're going to choose warehouse in, and then we're going to tap off. We're going to choose stock code A100. Tap off, and we're going to choose, let's say we counted 650 items of this stock code. For reference, you can write anything to refer to this transaction. And we're going to tap off notation. I'm just going to say physical count. Okay, and we're going to now post. And there we go. We have posted a physical count of stock code A100 of 650 quantities, and we're going to close the program. And there we have our journal entry. Backflashing is when you simultaneously issue materials, apply labor costs, and receive finished goods back into stock. And now we're going to do a backflashing. We're going to go to inventory, transaction processing, movements, and transaction type. We're going to select backflashing, and here we're going to select issue from warehouse to use. The option all means you are processing all levels in the bill of material. And the option first means that you're issuing components only from the first level of the bill of material, regardless of the number of levels in the bill. On backflash level, we're going to select first, and we're going to say okay. And here we're going to select warehouse SA, tap off, and we're going to select stock code GF 110. I'm going to tap off. Now we're going to select the quantity. Let's say 10, tap off, and bin location, we're going to say SA. Again, with the reference number, you can type in anything that will help you to refer to this very transaction. Then I'm going to tap off. On notation, I'm going to type in first level back flash. There we go. And we're going to post. You will select include startup time to add the value of startup time to your backflashing value. Or you could include startup time, which will add the value of startup time to your backflashing value. Or you could include teardown time, which will add the value of teardown time to your backflashing value. And here we're going to select include setup time. Going to say okay. And now the inventory online document will pop up on screen. And here you have two options. You could either print or you could close. Either way, it will be recorded in the system. And there we have it. And again, we're going to close the program. And there we have our journal entry. We have reached the end of today's tutorial. Please be sure to check out our other videos from our channel. And if you want to find out more about our product offering, check out the link in the description below. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and comment which videos you'd like to see in future. Thank you for watching this video.